Hello and welcome to this lecture session from CCLMS Management College. Myself Shubhranshu Das, faculty member of CCLMS Management College. In this session, we are going to introduce you to database management system. We will undergo some simple definitions and we will see some examples as well. So without wasting any time, let us move to the introductory session. So the first thing that we are going to see is a story. Let us begin our discussion with a simple story. To begin with, let's consider Raju, a student, gets down from the bus at 10:30 a.m. and reached the school at 10:45 a.m. by walk. Let's continue the story for two other students. Shishima and Manish got down from the bus at 10:32 and 10:40 a.m. respectively, and they also started working as soon as they got down from the bus and finally reached the school at 10:40 and 10:58 a.m. respectively. Let us continue the story for 50 more students. And then if I ask you some simple questions like tell me who is having the fastest walking speed, or who came to the bus stop first, or name the student who came to the school after 10:45. Obviously, to answer these questions, you will have to repeatedly read the story again and again. That is exactly when database comes into the picture. One simple way to answer these questions is to create a table and put all the relevant information into that. Like as we can see one in our on our screen. Student's name, when did they get down from bus, when did they enter the school, and the time taken to work. Now look at this and how easy it has become to answer these questions. You can simply say that Seema is having the highest walking speed because she has finished the distance in only 8 minutes. There are numerous questions that can be answered from this table as well. Therefore, we can say that database is a computerized record keeping system where meaningful data are stored in organized form for easy access, update, and delete. Here are some examples of databases. The first database shows the database of a customer where customer number is an unique identifier. We will talk about these topics later, and customer name, and there is also age of the customer, followed by another table named student. There are three entries in the student table named Amit Sen, Deepak Sharma, and Anjali Gupta. Now, if I ask you simple questions that how many students are from IT department, you can simply look at the table and you can answer that there is only one student named Deepak Sharma who is from IT department. Now, the complete set of data can be distributed in several distinct interrelated tables as well. That means your data may not fit into, or you shouldn't put your data in a single table. In that case, instead of using a single table, you can use relational database tables as well. Let us take another example of relational database management system. Here we can see that the customer ID and product ID, which are belonging in the customer and product table, has been used in the order table to create an order, which is actually forming a relational database. So, an important note, we are not repeating the customer information and product information in order table again and again. However, we can easily access them from different tables at the time when we need them. So this question is, how can we create a table in database, or how can we use it, Or how can we establish such relations? For this, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like if it was helpful for you, and please subscribe the channel as well. Thanks. We will see you in the next class.